WordPress 7.0 is here, and it's one of the most important updates in years. New AI features, new infrastructure, and new possibilities. But buried inside one of those new features is a security risk that deserves some attention, and we'll get to that. But let's start with all the good stuff first. Here are 3 things you need to know about this update. First, real-time collaboration is now built directly into the editor. Multiple people editing the same post at the same time, live, no plugin needed. Think Google Docs, but inside WordPress. You can see who's editing, where they are in the document, and changes appear instantly. No refreshing, no version conflicts. Second, the editor itself got a major upgrade. WordPress 7.0 introduces a modernized dashboard design with cleaner admin styles, smoother view transitions across the admin panel, and a new command palette shortcut system that lets you jump between pages, templates, and settings instantly from the keyboard. On top of that, the new font library gives you centralized control over typography directly inside the site editor without needing extra plugins or custom code. Third, WordPress now lets you connect AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini directly to your site from one place. To try it, go to your WordPress dashboard, click Settings, then Connectors. Choose Google Gemini. Now open a new tab and go to aistudio.google.com. Click Get API Key, then Create API Key and copy the key. Go back to WordPress, paste the key into the Gemini field, and click Save. That's it. AI is now connected to your site. To test it, go to Posts and click Add New. You'll see a new AI button in the editor. Click it, type a topic, and Gemini will generate a title, summary, and full draft for you. You can also upload an image and automatically generate alt text with AI too. Now, all of this is good, but there's one big problem. WordPress currently only hides API keys in the dashboard UI. They're still stored in plain text inside the database. That means if someone gets access to your site or database, they can steal those keys and use expensive AI services without needing your password again. Which brings us to the elephant in the room. That key you just saved, it's only masked in the database, not encrypted. Masked just means the field shows dots instead of your actual key. It looks hidden on screen, but anyone who gets into your database can read it in plain text. And that distinction matters more than most people realize. There's a widely shared incident where a compromised Gemini API key generated over $82,000 in charges in just 48 hours. The key leaked. Someone misused it, and 3 developers in Mexico were facing bankruptcy. Today it's them. Tomorrow, that can be you. Because once somebody steals your API key, they don't need your password. They don't need to log in, they just run it. Now, I trust WordPress to build a better protection system in a future update. But until then, what can you do right now? What I recommend instead is using an agentic setup with tools like Claude Code or Codex connected to WordPress through an MCP server. Instead of storing your AI key inside WordPress, the key stays locally on your machine inside a secure .env file. WordPress never actually sees the API key. Instead, your AI agent connects to WordPress through a temporary OAuth 2.1 connection using the official WordPress MCP connector. For Claude, you can set it up with Claude MCP add transport httpw pcom-mcp. Use this command. And for Codex, Codex MCP add wpcom-mcp URL. For Codex, use this command. What this basically does is create a controlled AI user account for your site with editor level permissions. So your AI can still generate posts, edit pages, create images, and manage content, but it never gets direct access to your actual API keys, and that changes everything. Now you can use all the AI features you want. If you want to go deeper on everything in this update, I've linked our full WordPress 7.0 blog post in the description below. And if you want to make sure your API keys stay protected going forward, install a WordPress-aware security plugin like Malcare. Just go to the description below, click this link, and you'll land on this page. You can start a deep scan by adding your URL and email, and hit scan for free. Now you'll reach this screen, you add your WordPress admin credentials here, and Malcare uses them only to install the plugin, and once it's done, those credentials are automatically wiped. Once you're set up, Malcare will automatically start scanning your site. It's free and it gives you a WordPress-specific firewall that can save you a lot of trouble. I'll leave all the links in the description and the pinned comment below. See you in the next one.